Hey, I'm Monica Richards for Moda Mob. There's a reason why we are still obsessed with classic Hollywood stars like Marilyn Monroe and Elizabeth Taylor. With their glowing skin and iconic makeup, we love taking inspiration from them. So here are the simple tips and tricks that our favorite old Hollywood beauties used, and now so can you. Marilyn Monroe was famous for her curvy figure, which was due to weight training and a high-protein diet. That diet included a very different sort of breakfast of a warm cup of milk whipped up and blended with 2 raw eggs. Elizabeth Taylor, who, fun fact, loved to do her own makeup, said that the most important beauty tip is to get enough sleep. Liz explained, quote, "Honey, you'll look like hell if you don't get a good night's sleep." Audrey Hepburn, who is infamous for her doe eyes, used to have her makeup artist separate each of her lashes with a safety pin after the mascara was applied. Grace Kelly was always applying lotion to her hands, which she explained was because hands are where people show their age first. Mae West was in on the coconut oil fad way before we were. She used it to help her skin stay dewy and youthful. Sophia Loren kept her skin soft and hydrated by taking baths with olive oil, which is obviously working. Have you seen her lately? She's 80 and she looks amazing. And Harlow was all about contouring. She would never part her hair in the center, and she always made sure her hair was full of volume so that her face would appear less full. She also applied blush high on her cheeks to slim her face, and she plucked out all of her eyebrows so she could draw them on perfectly herself. I don't think we should really do that one, but the other ones for sure. We just love old Hollywood glam, and coming straight from the icons who are the most glamorous, amazing. To see more beauty tips and tricks, head to modamob.com. Thanks so much for watching Moda Mob News. Be sure to subscribe and click here to get more fashion updates and beauty tips and tricks.